Hello everyone, let's go to the 66th example. Make a program that reads 6 integers and stores them in an array A. Reads another 6 integers and stores them on an array B. Next, print on a single line the elements of array A that are not present in the array B. Separate for each other by a single space. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, you have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and the value for this name. So every time I call this name, the value will be 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6, as you can see. If I change, the value will change. But here I will use 6 as the example asked to us to use an array of 6 places. So moving on, I am including 5 int variables for the array A, the array B, the I, and the j, and the repeat, which will be a flag. These for loops start with the value of I equal to 0 and will stop when the value of I is equal to 6. As we remember, an array works in this way. So, if the array of 6 places will start with the value 0 and will stop in the place 5, as we remember, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 6 places and we will store 6 values on these places. So, moving on. Every time this for loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1, and this printf will ask you to enter the value placed in the position A %d, which will be the value of I, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and will stop. And this scanf will store the value that you type on your keyboard on the memory of your computer on the place A, I. This printf is just to organize the things and to see what is happening. This for loop will start with the value, This for loop will start of the value g equal to 0 and will stop when the value of g is equal to 6. As we remember, here in this program, we are using an array of 6 places. Every time this for loop runs, the value of g will be increased by 1. This printf has the same parameters of the first one, and this scanf follows the same analogy behind. The values that just appears in the array A are. So, this for loops will check if the value is just in the array A. So, what is happening here? Here we have the same conditionals for the first 4 and the same conditionals for the second 4. And this flag will check if the value is equal or different. So, repeat equal to 0. And if the value of I, A, in the position I is equal to the value in B in the position J, the repeat value will be equal to 1. And after this for loops end, I will check if the value of the repeat will be equal to 0. So, what is happening here? Here, we are checking if one value has the same value on the whole array B. So here we have the value 10, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we will check 10 is equal to 1, no. 10 is equal to 2, no. 10 is equal to 3, and keep going, and we will ask 10 is equal to 6, no. So the repeat value will be equal to 0, and then we will print the value 10. So this is happening on this program. And if the value we have a value 1 here and a 1 here, the repeat value will be equal to 1. So this if will not runs and this printf will not print the value 1. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. This printf with /n is just to skip a line on the terminal. So now we can go to the terminal and see what is happening here. Enter the value placed in the position A0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Enter the value placed in the position B0. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the values that just appears in the array A are 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. So the values that just appear on the array A are 1, 2, and 3. So thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description and subscribe for regular content.